Hey guys, welcome back to Financial Fitness. Now that we've already applied for and registered our articles of incorporation in our state, and we've applied for our EIN number in our through the IRS, now that we've gotten both of those things back, now we're ready to apply for our DUNS number. Now, what is a DUNS number? So a company called Duns and Bradstreet, what they are is they're the company that everybody reports to for your business credit. Kind of like the same way like Equifax is to your personal credit, right? So what we need to do is create a DUNS number so that when we apply for line of credit and things of that nature, people can, those companies can report to Dun Bradstreet so that we are able to raise our credit score up. So that way we can start getting more lines of credit, credit cards, and loans for our business, right? So what I need you to do is the very first thing is you want to type in this URL just the way that it is, okay? Why do I want you to go to this URL? Because this is a government site that allows you to apply for a DUNS number for $0. If you went to Dun Bradstreet, the site, and you applied for a number, for a DUNS number, they want to charge you upwards of $297. So you want to make sure that you go through this site, because here at Financial Fitness, we want to make sure that the process is simple and the least expensive for you. We don't want to spend, $1,000 to set up our corporation, or tens of thousands, or whatever it is, right? A lot of people will charge up to $15,000 just to do this work for you. So we want to make sure that we're getting it done as easy as possible, the simplest way, and with the least expense, all right? So once you get there, you want to go ahead and click to register. And just make sure that you do the United States and continue. Now, one of the big things that I want to let you know is you have to make sure that you're doing this in Internet Explorer. This is only supported by Internet Explorer, okay? Now, I'm not going to walk you all the way through it because it is self-explanatory, and I already have a DUNS number, so it's not going to let me go all the way through the process. So you want to put in your business name, your city and state, and what it will do here is if you have a DUNS number, it will pull you up. You do not, so it won't pull yours up. And then it will give you the option to go ahead and apply for one. So I'm going to go ahead and do it so I can show you. Mine will pull up because I do have a DUNS number. So there it is. It went ahead and pulled up, but you can go to request a DUNS number here, and then you want to go ahead and start putting your information. Now, the contact information where it's asking for your personal stuff, I went ahead, you want to put in your business stuff. So make sure that you're using the same business address that you used when you applied for your EIN and your articles of incorporation, because it will cross-reference those, and it's going to pull it. Also, when you did the articles of incorporation, you had to put on there that you were the registering agent. So you want to make sure that everything that you put on there, you put your name and all that. You will be a president as the title business. And once you get through all that, it's just going to start asking you for like your company info and review data details, and it's going to ask you to verify who you are. Okay, so once you get through that, it takes 24 hours to get your DUNS number, and it will you will get a email confirmation. So you want to make sure that you use your business email and that you're checking your email as well. All right. Once you get that done, we will be ready to go apply for our lines of credit.